Now I hate the mornings, 'cause I know what they bring. You get up and take a shower and in no time you're leaving. It sounds so selfish, but I can't help but think that if you knew how much I needed you,